Welcome back to Weather Observer, where we break down the most significant weather changes unfolding across Europe. If you live in the UK, Ireland, or Scandinavia, or you're just a weather enthusiast tracking atmospheric dynamics, you'll want to pay close attention to this evolving storm system. Let's dive into what's coming and when. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the development and expected path of the upcoming storm system affecting northwestern Europe. Already later this evening and into the overnight hours, the first wave of rainfall is expected to move across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. While these showers may turn intense in places, they are not the main storm system yet. This initial band of rain is actually tied to a frontal boundary linked with a powerful low-pressure system spinning near Iceland. The main feature, Storm Florus, will begin to take shape during the afternoon hours on Sunday. At first glance, it might appear as nothing more than a broad area of moderate rainfall, unremarkable and disorganized, but that will change dramatically as the evening progresses. As Sunday night unfolds, Florus will intensify noticeably. What starts as a weak disturbance gradually evolves into a well-organized cyclone. Widespread downpours and increasingly strong wind gusts will begin to spread across Scotland and surrounding regions. By early Monday morning, especially across the Scottish Highlands and coastal zones, wind gusts may reach alarming speeds, possibly over 100 kilometers per hour, with peaks of 130 to 140 kilometers per hour in exposed areas. In imperial units, that's the equivalent of 60 to 80 miles per hour, with some locations nearing 90. These conditions may cause damage to infrastructure and disrupt transportation networks. The center of the storm is expected to make landfall in Scotland by midday Monday. Strong winds and steady rains will persist into the afternoon and evening, before gradually shifting eastward. Overnight into Tuesday, the United Kingdom will begin to see an improvement, but Florus won't be finished just yet. The storm's center will move towards southern Scandinavia, affecting Norway first. Heavy rainfall and strong winds will impact much of the region, especially during the day on Tuesday. Thankfully, by the time the storm reaches deeper into Sweden and parts of Finland, it is expected to weaken steadily. Nonetheless, additional rounds of rain and breezy conditions are expected to linger through Wednesday across the Baltic Sea region and much of northern Europe. In the broader European picture, weather patterns remain relatively stagnant. Since mid-July, large portions of the continent have been under the influence of slow-moving systems, which means repeated rainfall and thunderstorms in many of the same regions. While Florus brings cooler, more stable air behind its frontal boundary, sweeping through France, Germany, the Baltic states, Belarus, and Ukraine, not all countries will benefit. In fact, parts of southern Europe will continue to bake under intensifying heat. Portugal and Spain, in particular, are expected to face even higher temperatures. Heat alerts have already been issued by national weather agencies, including red-level warnings for northern Portugal starting Monday. That's your full breakdown of Storm Florus and the wider European weather setup for the next few days. If you found this update helpful and want to stay ahead of changing weather conditions, make sure to subscribe to Weather Observer and tap the like button to support the channel. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from, and stay tuned for more detailed forecasts, weather explainers, and real-time updates. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.